I'm going to open this package. So, since I am in the mood for drawing, and especially drawing for my sewing projects, I decided to do a refresher course for myself, how to draw some figures, just to have some fun. Alright, so let's open the package. So let's see. This is a lovely set of cards. Yep. Look at this. It has the illustrations, demonstration table of content. Fashionary. Nice position. How about that? This is going to be my favorite position. So when I make some new garment, I'll demonstrate it in this way, right? I don't wear high heels though, so that's probably not gonna happen, but I can try anyway. Alright, okay, this is very sporty. Confidence. Glamour. Okay, so this is a wonderful booklet. And pregnant women. Okay, this is lovely. Now, let's look through the cards. Just a cover attached to it. Okay. And the cards. Ten basic standing figures and runway poses with different dimensions, aiming to help present your design clearly. Wonderful. I'm just gonna keep saying wonderful because I already love this set, even though they are having unproportionally long legs, but that's how you're supposed to draw in fashion design, because everything looks beautiful when you have like twice as long legs as the normal person, and maybe not twice, just quarter or 1/3. We'll see. Yeah, her knees. Actually, if you can see, her knees supposed to be about up here, at least. Her hand is supposed to end about here, just a little longer, so it's about 1/4 maybe. Alright, stop criticizing. Those are very nice illustrations. Okay, so now you can see this is a lovely set. Okay, which one should I try to draw today? This one is like glamorous. Yeah, let me try to do something that can be kind of, okay, maybe this. Confidence. So many temptations. But yes, I'm going to try and practice my drawing. And I have not done any figures for a while, actually. Many years, I have to admit. Plus sizes? Portrait. So it's a little closer. So let's see if I will be able to draw something just out of the blue. Okay, let me try to do this one. it wants me to draw it. Okay. This is a really nice box. Substantial, sturdy, and it will last a lifetime. Okay. Here's the box. Here is my model. Alright, I'm going to try to draw this glamour pose, number 40, as I usually do. Just allow myself to get inspired by this picture and see how it goes. I'm drawing a lot more realistic version of kind of